Hey everyone, today we're diving into Alpha Force, a popular male enhancement supplement. You might have seen it on Amazon or other sites, but is it legit or just another scam? I've looked into reviews, ratings, and even FDA warnings to help you figure it out if Alpha Force is worth a shot. Alright, so if we start with Amazon, Alpha Force is sold by a few different shops on the platform. One of the more popular options is a 2-pack with 120 capsules in total, which should last about 2 months. But here's where it gets interesting. It has a pretty low rating, around 2.9 stars from 7 reviews. One person gave it a 1-star review, calling it a scam and saying it had no effect whatsoever. That's definitely concerning, especially for a product like this where results are a big deal. On the flip side, though, some people have given it 5 stars, saying it worked exactly as described and they were very satisfied. But when you see such mixed reviews, especially a few 5-star ones among mainly negative ratings, it can sometimes be a red flag like, are these real users or maybe even influenced reviews? Amazon also includes a pretty big disclaimer on the page. It's a reminder that product details on the site might not be up to date because manufacturers sometimes change ingredients or packaging. So Amazon basically says, hey, don't just rely on the information here, check on the label and talk to a healthcare professional if you have questions or concerns. They also note that the FDA hasn't evaluated the claims of products like Alpha Force, and they can't be used to diagnose, treat, or cure diseases. To sum it up, Amazon is covering itself by saying it's not responsible if the product doesn't work as advertised or if there are issues. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Just because the product is sold on Amazon doesn't necessarily mean it's been carefully vetted for safety or effectiveness. Now let's get into some real talk about safety. The FDA has issued warnings about certain male enhancement products sold on sites like Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. They've found that some products in this category actually contain hidden and potentially dangerous drug ingredients. For example, in December 2021, the FDA flagged several sexual enhancement products available on Walmart.com and advised consumers to avoid them. Then, earlier that year, in July, they sent a letter directly to Amazon calling out the platform for allowing these risky products to be sold. The FDA urged Amazon and other online stores to stop selling any sexual enhancement or weight loss products that violate safety regulations. So it's clear they're trying to protect consumers, but it also means that buyers have to be careful since not every product has been checked or cleared by the FDA. According to the National Library of Medicine, there are some real concerns around supplements marketed for sexual enhancement. Many of these products can contain counterfeit drugs or unlisted ingredients, which is risky for people with certain health conditions or those taking medications. The article points out that these unregulated ingredients could cause serious side effects and even interact dangerously with other medications. The main takeaway here is that if a supplement sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And when it comes to male enhancement products, it's a good idea to be extra cautious and maybe consult a doctor first. So, what's the final verdict on Alpha Force? Honestly, the mixed reviews and lack of FDA oversight are pretty big red flags. While a few users claim it works well, others say it's completely ineffective and there's no way to be certain what you're really getting. Add any FDA warnings about similar products, and it's definitely something to be cautious about. If you're considering a supplement for male enhancement, it's probably best to consult with a healthcare professional first. Well, there are safer options out there, and going with something that's been properly tested and regulated might be the better route. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you for watching.